Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel for another step-by-step makeup tutorial. If today is your first time of stopping by, you're welcome. Thank you for stopping by. God bless you. First, I'm using a serum to prime my face first. A 24 karat gold serum to moisturize my face. Then I'm using a foundation to hydrate my face, and I'm using a foundation for my face. Please don't forget to show me love, support me by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you very much. God bless you for subscribing to my channel. God bless you for supporting me. God bless you for showing me love. I appreciate it. I'm grateful. Thank you. God bless you so much. Next, I'm using a concealer to highlight my face. All the names of the product I'm using will be listed down in the description box below. Next, I'm using another concealer, a dark concealer to contour my nose. I'm blending it so that there won't be any harsh line. Blending the contour. Next, I'm using a pressed powder to set my highlights. Next, I'm using a setting powder so set my highlights and bake as well. Nose. Next, I'm using the bronzer to bronze my cheek, to contour my cheek and my forehead. Contour the cheek and the forehead. Next, I'm cleaning up the nose contour to define it more. To make it more defined. I'm leaving the under eye powder for eyeshadow fallout, so that when I'm doing my eyes, all the eyeshadow fallout will be on the powder and not on my face. That is the reason why I'm leaving the under eye powder. Next is brows. Brows. Next, I'm cleaning up my brows with a concealer. To clean up the brows. Clean up the brows with concealer. I'm using the same concealer as my eyeshadow base for my eyes. Next, I'm using a black eye pencil Ooh, look at the lightning. I'm sorry guys, I'm using a natural lightning, so the light, I'm using a natural light, so the light is going up and down. Can't control it. It's going up and down. First I use a black eyeliner to cut the crease. Then I use a kajal, black kajal, for my outer crease. Then now I'm using, after I use the kajal for the outer crease, I had a black eyeshadow on it so that it won't move. Then I'm using the green eyeshadow on my eyelid, the whole of my eyelid. Green with envy. I'm blending the black and the green together so that there won't be any harsh lines. Blend the two together. Where the two meets, blend it so that there won't be any harsh line. Then I'm using the same green eyeshadow on my lower lash line and a brown one to blend it. Blend the green and the brown on my lower lash line. Green and brown. Next is my lashes, my false lash. I'm using my hand. I can't find my tweezer and I've not bought a new one, so I'm using my hands and I'm loving it. Next, I'm using a powder to blend my face, to smoothen the face, to blend everything together. Next is blush. I'm using this blush palette from Tara Makeup to blush up my cheek. Add a little bit color to the cheek. Blush the cheek up. Next is highlighter. To highlight the face. Highlighter to highlight the face. This highlighter is so good. Next is a little mascara for the lower lash line. Next is lips. I'm using Miss Rose Matte Liquid Lipstick in number 10 to line my lips. I'm using it as my lip liner. Then I'm using a concealer for my lips. A concealer, guys. Concealer as my lip color. Then I'm adding a clear gloss from Absolute for the lips too. It's so good. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I appreciate it. Please don't forget to show me love. Support me by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching my video, showing me love and support me. I appreciate it. Thank you. God bless you all so much. Thank you. Happy prosperous new year. Bye. See you in my next video.